The motor and the main shaft of the machine head are fixed with 4-hole screws to prevent the motor from slipping. Put the plastic connector on the mounting surface of motor. Keep the main shaft flat facing up, and the dodge of handle wheel facing down. Install the motor with plastic connector together to the machine. The motor has 4 screws in itself. Tighten with 3mm Allen key. Turn the handle wheel and tighten in 4 directions. Take out the fixing plate from the accessory bag. Fix in the right place of machine. Then fix the motor screw. Tighten the motor and the screw first and then tighten the machine screw. Ensure that there is no stroke when turning the handle wheel. Take out the attached LED light after tying the machine with screws. Insert the connector into the control box side. Take out the pedal controller and fasten it to the platen with screws. Insert the connector into the control box side. The clamping device is installed at the corresponding position above the motor. Tighten the cut in the accessory bag with screws above the motor. Turn on the power. Turn on the switch and the control pedal will display C11 by default. After installation, need to test to ensure that the needle position is accurate. Step forward on the pedal. The needle bar stops at the down needle position. Step backward the pedal. The needle bar stops at the up needle position.